blessed to tell you everyone that Gurukul is organizing a summer camp for every one of you pan India. So it is a very auspicious moment for every single student out there, not only the students of Gurukul but every single students across the globe. So what are we doing in this particular activity? It is a kind of summer activity in which Gurukul is organizing various camps such as English, Science and many more. So being the in charge of English hub, English activity, I'll be taking care for the English activity. Now why English activity? As we all know that today's generation, in today's scenario, English is more important, Wherever we go, whether universities, colleges, wherever we go, English is a mandate language. And sometimes we see students, those who are not very much aware about English language, they take themselves on a very, negative aspect. They think that they do not know English, they do not know anything. So just to overcome from this phobia of them, I am introducing English activity. Now, what are the things we will gonna introduce in English activity? First, news writing. Why news writing? Because as we know that news reading and news writing, both concepts are very much interrelated with each other. Once you read the news, now anybody is asking you what's the news of today, what's the breaking news of today, then you can write it down by reading it first, then speculating in your own words and then writing it down. Second, blog writing. Blog writing is a very good profession nowadays. Students, those who are studying in universities and colleges, along with their studies, along with their academics, they are doing blog writing. And we see many students, the students of class 11th and 12th also, they are doing blog writing and they are earning good amount of money. So second activity would be blog writing. Third activity would be debate. Debate, it is a very important topic nowadays. As we turn on the news channels, we see various political leaders, they talk with each other, they talk about a common topic and they debate on that part. Some of them talk in favor and some of them talk on their by mode of that particular topic. So third is debate. So like these three activities, many more activities are there, like ice-breaking session, jam sessions. So with this, I request every one of you to please enroll yourself in this English activity. So I will be able to interact with you all and we'll be having good spiritual fun in this summer activity. Hare Krishna, looking forward to serve you.